Today we're showing you a 2021 John Deere 5100E tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with cab, heat, and air. Comes with a John Deere 540M quick attach front loader. Tractor has just over 200 hours. Very clean tractor. We took this tractor in on trade from a small local farm. They did very light haying, and then they also used it to mow their pasture fields. Tractor has been stored inside. It's in really nice shape. It does have quite a few extra options on it, as we'll show you here. And again, just over 200 hours, so very low hour machine. Also does come with the balance of the factory warranty. It does have the 540M loader, which is the heavier loader for these tractors. Has the deluxe single point connector here for your loader hoses. The loader is plumbed for grapple. It does have the third valve, the third function. Right here is that front outlet. Also does have the skid steer style quick attach for your bucket connection. Has the construction 84-inch heavy duty construction bucket up front here. Our grill guard is on the tractor. Paint is excellent, as you would expect. Has mirrors on both sides of the cab. Tires are good. 2 sets of rear wheel weights. Front and rear work lights on the cab. Has triple rear hydraulic outlets, 540 and 540E PTO. Extendable 3-point arms. Drawbar and top link are both with the machine. Very nice tractor, as you can see. Inside the cab, still looks practically new in here. It does have the air right seat here for the operator. Has a tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Left-hand power reverser allows direction changes without clutching. Has the 12-speed transmission. Loader control right here with that third function button right on the joystick. All your 3-point hydraulic PTO controls all located on the control panel to the right of the seat. Up top, tractor has radio, climate control, rear view mirror, and sun visor. Looks like that John Deere warranty runs into June of 2026. Only 230 hours. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the U.S. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used tractors, please contact us at maskedtractor.com.